Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to shut down your computer or laptop after a certain time automatically. So without any delay, let's get it started. For that, first open the command prompt and then type this command. So here 60 means the PC will shut down in 1 minute. If you want to make it 2 minutes, then you can write 120. You can change this number as per your requirement. Here I want to shut down my PC after 1 minute, so let's press enter. Then you will get a prompt saying you are about to sign out. Windows will shut down in 1 minute. Press close. If you change your mind and want to cancel the scheduled shutdown, then type this command, press enter. Then you will get a prompt saying log off is cancelled. The scheduled shutdown has been cancelled. And that's it. Now you know how to automatically shut down your PC after a certain time. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.